What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play 2008 by Lil Peep. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar-related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is super simple. It's in standard tuning, and as always I will have the guitar tab that I made for this in the description below, so if you need that once you get done with the video, go check the description. The guitar tab will be there for you. So you're starting out with your pinky finger on the low, on the E, on the 8th fret, index finger on the 5th fret of the A string, and then you're going to pick the D string open. This riff has 4 parts to it. The first 3 are the same thing, and the last one changes up a little bit, and then the entire thing just repeats throughout the entire song. So the first part you're doing is you're picking E, D, A 4 times. E, D, A, E, D, A, E, D, A, E, D, A. And then you're moving your index finger up to the 6th fret on the A string, and you're just picking A, D, A, D. So E, D, A, E, D, A, E, D, A, E, D, A, A, D, A, D. E, D, A, E, D, A, E, D, A, E, D, A, A, D, A, D. E, D, A, E, D, A, E, D, A, E, D, A, D, A, D. On the final time, you're moving your index all the way up to 8 on the A, and you're playing A, D 4 times. Move back down to 6 for 2 times. And then back down to 5 for 2 times. So all together slowly, the riff looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, A, D, A, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, A, D, A, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, A, D, A, D. And since that was the 3rd time, now we're going 8, 6, 5. Starts over. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The 2nd place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.